one is USD JPY. This was one of the moves we also discussed the last time, and I talked about the short from this very high, and price gave us that very good shot. We had good shot from that high. Price came all the way down. We did something like this in this market. We did something similar to this, and then price came all the way to this high, gave us a very good confirmation, and then price went short. So this short here came all the way to a TP level, and then price has been playing across those two levels ever since. So the two levels we have in this case now is this high right here, and then this low right here. So this is what price is doing in this market, moving across these two levels. And then from what we did the last time, price gave us some profits from that short. From this short all the way to this low, we had about 130 pips in this case. 130 pips. When you watch the last session, you would know everything I discussed from these very points. And then price came all the way down to this key level for about 130 pips, and price has been playing across these two levels ever since. So right now you can see price is moving back down to this low one more time. So right now there is no trade at the moment in this market. There is no trade because price is not on a key level. So the only time you can have a trade in this market will be when price tests a key level, and the first key level on the way down is right here. So there is a lot of possibility that price is going to make it all the way down here. However, if this does not justify taking a trade from this very point, we need to wait for the right confirmations to be tested, the right key places to be tested before picking trades. Discipline is very important because price will come all the way down here. It does not give you the right to have a trade or sell just to take advantage of this movement. It can backfire real quick. So we have the first key level here and the next key level all the way down here. So these are the two places I would definitely have my eyes on in this market. So I'll be interested in seeing what price is going to do at any of these two places. You can see how price did this move here. We had some possible longs here, likewise from this retest as well. We had two possible longs, and then price gave us some profits. So the same thing would happen here one more time, or possible here. So these are the two places I will be watching out for possible longs in this market. So as at the moment there is nothing solid yet. We need to wait for any of these two places to be tested, and then we can have a short-term long. This remains a downside. However, there is possible short-term long, just as I've explained. So that is USD JPY. The tech service, the private service going on from next week is going to be covering a lot of these kind of sessions. Also, we'll be having a private Telegram where we can also keep up with whatever price is doing at every point in time. Likewise, I'll be giving support, one-on-one support, and trading help to whoever needs it. So there'll be trading analysis, there'll be setups and opportunities at every point in time, and also there'll be some education as well. Everything I've just done here is really a lot of education for those who have an open mind to grab them, right? So this will be going live. We are taking entries for now, and I believe by next week, market open, we should be good to go live on this. So for those who may be interested in this kind of service, you can just hit me up on Telegram at BP FOREX, and then we can set you up with this service. So that'll be all for now, and we'll be back again another time. Peace.